What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage and another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. And I know it's Tuesday and I know you're back to work now and that kind of sucks. So we're gonna talk about something else today that also sucks. So for today's tool, a huge one. If you guys do not have a vacuum cleaner, I highly recommend picking up a badass shop vac. So 2 minutes on the clock, I'm gonna go over this and I'll go over a couple great little tools that I have along with this. I'm not gonna plug it in, I'm not gonna show you guys it running or anything like that. I mean, you guys can get it, you know, it has an on-off switch. I think everyone knows what a vacuum cleaner is, but this guy that I have right here, I really love. This is a rigid vacuum cleaner. I'll leave a link down below in the description, guys, as it does help out my channel. So if you guys do click through one of those, it helps make more content for the channel, which is awesome and an easy way to give back. Now, 6 horsepower. That's what you want. You want all the horsepower you can get, just like you want in your car. This is a 14-gallon version, so this is like a construction duty, heavy duty one that I bought at Home Depot. I basically said, what's the biggest shop vac you got, and purchased that. Now, something else that I got, which is huge, is this giant, I mean, like, look at this. I mean, come on, look at that. All right, just look at it. Look at that. Boom. I have a huge freaking hose on this thing. So that comes in so handy when you guys are just trying to vacuum your car. I can leave the vacuum cleaner in one spot and get around the whole vehicle. So that is super awesome. Also, I got a custom exhaust on my vacuum cleaner right here. This is a custom air muffler. It's actually not custom, but it's an addition. And what this does is actually quiets down the vacuum cleaner a little bit because these things are freaking loud. So kind of a cool little attachment. These also suck and blow, which is great. Another attachment that I picked up and purchased, we get the little flex hose right here. This is probably one of my favorite pieces right here that does not come with it, but this is kind of your, you know, car vacuum nozzle. Now, for vacuuming carpet, this is my favorite tool right here. I use this brush as it kicks up all the dust and will just really get in there. You can also make a nice pattern with it and really clean up your interior. So this is what I use on that. Onto a kind of cool one. This is a little adapter that I have. Now this works really good for 2 reasons. If you are going to detail your car, you can actually hook this up to the blow feature and you can use this to blow any dust out of your vehicle that you want. So that comes out really handy. Purchased these little adapters right here, which you can see it's getting extra long. It's getting even longer. And as you can see, it's super long and super skinny. And that just funnels down and I'm able to get into those tight little crevices, you know, clean up air vents and that sort of thing. And this is an awesome little tool that I use. It's very inexpensive and it's just one of those cool little attachments that probably not a lot of you guys have. So I'm gonna put that down below in the description. These are some totally cool tools that kind of suck, but they're also pretty damn good. I like to, you know, clean my car with this stuff. So I'll be doing a couple more detailing tool videos coming up soon. Guys, huge announcement for the channel coming up soon. So if you have not hit that subscribe button or that bell, you guys are gonna be pretty stoked. I'm pretty stoked. I can't even believe what I did, but I did something and yeah, I did a thing. So make sure to subscribe. We'll talk to you guys later. Ren Sean.